What brought me in was I had some periodontal problems, gum disease, and I needed someone to take care of it, and I happened to notice a infomercial on television that Dr. Wilson was doing at that time, and for some strange reason my thumb kept going back to that channel, and I guess it was deja vu that I said, well, I'll just go see Dr. Gordon, and I've been going to him ever since. What I found was that I needed some immediate treatment. I mean, as I say, once you get into the bleeding thing, it's, you better start getting some help because it just progresses and gets worse. I had the same problem years ago and went through some other procedures that I felt were rather intrusive at the time and probably still are if they're still using those procedures. Dr. Wilson came up with a better technique that I found was interesting at the time. I didn't want to go through the slice and dice thing of the gums anymore, and he had a new technique, a laser treatment, which was less invasive. And I came and saw him, and I would probably never do the other treatment again. With the treatments that Dr. Wilson gives me now I highly recommend to anybody that has the same problems that I do. With Dr. Wilson's treatment, one time, that's it. And it's less painful, less intrusive. You can eat foods and things of that, and it's just a lot better treatment, a lot better. He is very informative. He tells you what's going on. He gives you options of what we can do here. This is how we can do it. And you have a voice in what's going on here. And so I enjoy that, I like that, I want to be informed. And I think if any patient who has any procedures done wants to know what's going on, what are their options, Dr. Wilson gives you those options. And then you are part of the process. And hopefully, then you will get to your ultimate goal, which is good treatment. And that's what you get here. When I first started out several years ago with Dr. Wilson, my gums were terrible. They bled continually. They had deep pockets, which between the teeth and I was losing bone. We have since stabilized all that. My gums don't bleed, and the trays that I wear, that is one of the procedures that you use in order to maintain where you are and where you want to be. Very easy thing to do, just 15 minutes a day, 2 or 3 times a day to maintain, and you get bright white, no problem teeth and gums.